Guys, week 2 is about the net game or net play. Okay, so the warm-up will be with the volley, as we're going to train a little more of the volley. Okay, so the warm-up will be only volleys against 2 players. We make it more difficult for since we are playing in a high level. So we make the ball stop in the air and then hit the ball back with a slice or flat volleys. Okay, so these players can only play flat volleys, and this player can only play with slice volleys. Okay, and using the space, okay, using all the areas, okay, we will try to make one cone here, for example, one cone, all right, like this, okay, and try to always touch the cone. Okay, I will show you like this, guys. Wait a minute, like this, and every time we do a volley here, we touch the cone and then back to position. Hit the ball, touch the cone, and then back to position. Okay, so that will be the warm-up. We do the same thing here, or we can easily make the half a court to one exercise and the other one with another exercise. For example, stop in the ball in the air and then hit the ball back, as I told you in the beginning. Okay, or you can make all 4 players do the same exercise. I think it's more easier or fun to make it like this, that we divide the court in 2 and making 2 exercises. All right, so this will be the warm-up, and of course today is about the volley and especially the effect of the volley. Okay, so it will be with slice volley. So we will start working one-on-one. Okay, these players in the net, and we can do the same thing here but with a more of space between the players. Okay, so we can make it, for example, now we can make that these 2 players have to touch the cone in the volley. Okay, between every volley, touch the cone, and these players have to touch the cone with the ground from every ground shot. All right, from every ground shot, hit the ball, touch one cone, and then the volley comes, hit the ball, touch the other cone, and then hit the ball back. Okay, so working with the footwork, same is the same thing here, guys. We can divide the court in 2 or make it all for the same thing. Okay, it's up to you, guys. It's up to you. All right. In this area, in this case, I think it's better that this player plays a flat volley, so it doesn't kill this player. All right. So play the flat volley, and here only play with the slice volley. Okay, and here you can always play with the chiquita and a hard ball to the body. Okay, so this player can have different options to play the ball, with hard ball to the body or playing chiquita. All right, and this player can only slice the ball. Okay, you can make it harder for the player, for example, putting one mark here, and all the volleys have to be back from this to this area. Okay, if the ball is here, then we change position, for example. We can do that. Okay, after a while, after this exercise, okay, we will play the bandeja volley. We will make a drill of the bandeja volley, and since it's high level, then the players will play with each other. So making one volley and making one bandeja. Okay, playing the ball straight. So one volley, then we lob, and then we play the bandeja, and then we come forward, and then we do the volley again. Can we do this different? Of course. Okay, depending on the level of the players. Can we make it harder? Yes, we can. We can force the players to play the bandeja after the line, after this line, for example. The bandeja should always be behind the line, otherwise we change position. Or the volley, also the volley should be always behind the line. Okay, that's an example. The other one can make an example, for example, that every time we make one shot, ground shot, and then we have to touch a cone. Okay, we can put 2 cones. It's more difficult because it requires a good footwork. All right, so every time we make a lob, for example, touch the cone and get back to the position. Okay, and after this exercise, guys, we change, of course. These players go in front, and these players go to the back. All right. After this exercise, we will play a match game from the bandeja. It means you start the ball to the center. These guys have to make the ball. Sorry, these players have to make the ball, the lob, and then this player play the bandeja, and then we start the point. We can start to 7 points, a tie break, a super tie break. It's depend on you and depend on the time. All right, guys. That's it. Good luck. Bye.